Okay, today we're going to be replacing a porch light. So this, I want to say I bought for right around $18 or $15 on Walmart.com. It is an HZ Connect Heath Zenith. You can download an app and control it from your smartphone. I will not be doing that in this video. I'm just going to simply set it up to turn off and on when it detects motion outside. It also has a dusk till dawn feature. There's a switch you could move. So if you want it to turn on in the evening, at night, and then turn off in the morning, that's another option for you. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just sharing my experience with you in this product. So let's take a look. Here's what's in the box. Pretty nice style. It's LED, 180-degree motion sensor that's adjustable. The LED lamp is also adjustable, so it swivels and pivots. There's your control switches. Comes with the mounting plate. This mounting plate is unique. Most porch lights, you have to use wire nuts to connect your hot wires, your neutral wires, etc. This one, it has a different design that's a little more user-friendly, I think, and easier to install. I'll show you that in a second here. Comes with an instruction manual and some mounting hardware and a small screwdriver. So if we take a look at this mounting plate, you see there's two small screws here, and they're labeled for your hot wire and your neutral wire. And then of course your green ground screw here is for your ground wire. You can see the two pins here on the back of the light fixture. That's where they connect to the two sockets in the mounting plate. So here's the old porch light we're going to be removing today. This one's been malfunctioning. It's getting old and ugly looking on the side of the house. Safety first, remember to shut off the power and verify the power is off before performing any electrical work. So we're going to go about removing the old unit with the power off. So again, the black wire is your hot wire, white wire is your neutral wire, green is your ground wire. And I'm verifying with a non-contact voltage tester that we don't have power. Installed the mounting bracket that came with the new light fixture. Then you screw the white round plastic back cover mounting plate to that metal bracket with this center Phillips head screw. And then you bring your wires in and land them on the appropriate terminals. Again, they're labeled which wire goes where. Your bare copper ground goes to your green ground screw, like so. You simply tighten down those little flathead screws in there to secure your neutral wire and your black hot wire. So I'll turn the power back on. You can see the light works. Woo! Simply adjust it to the angle that you want the sensor and the light to be. And remember to run a thin bead of silicone caulking around the light fixture to keep out rainwater, bugs, dust, drafts, etc. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.